Yes, I think the role that it seems I've been chosen to play, it's a lot of work, there's a lot of responsibility too. But when these young people come up and tell me they're doing what they do because of me, that they came to a talk or read a book, well, it means that all the hard work I've done is definitely worthwhile. Helps me carry on. There it is. First book I ever owned. Cost 6 shillings. There. That's the picture. The monkeys making a bridge and Dr. Doolittle walking across. But for you, I might never have gone to Africa. When I first went to Gombe, it was the most amazing time of my life.
Can you imagine how I felt the first time, thinking, how on earth do I find the chimp?
And that just means this is me, this is Jane. People know I went out and studied chimpanzees when nobody was doing that. And there's this picture in their minds of these hairy apes and a young blonde English woman out in the jungle. That's captivating. I could spend hours out in the forest studying the chimpanzees. These were the best days of my life. So why did I leave? I could still be there.
It's become apparent that I have to use this power, if you like, of bending the ear of very many people to help the creatures who have put me in a position to do just that.
My job is to go around and inspire people and get them to take action. The message is every one of us makes a difference every day. And somehow this message has infiltrated young people all around the world.